Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a phone number in Roblox if it's missing. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's say, for example, you went over to your settings right here, click on it, and under account info, mobile number is not available, just like what I have in here. Okay, I don't have it. So why is that? So before answering that question, if you have it in here, just click on add number and you should be good to go. All right. So why, or the reason why the option is missing? Well, first up, age restriction. If your account is registered as under 13, the phone number option may not appear. Also, regional restrictions. Some regions, including parts of the Philippines, which I am from, and also Caribbean, have reported this feature is unavailable, possibly due to regional bugs or policy. Okay. So another reason, maybe a number in use. For example, you cannot use a phone number that is already linked to another account or even a potentially banned account. Okay. Also, unsupported carrier. VoIP numbers, for example, Google Voice, Skype, TextNow, are often not supported as well. But if you don't have the option right here, just don't sweat it out. Just verify the needed verification right here. For example, email, you will have the verification checklist right here, okay? Verify it, your age, verify your birthday, verify it as well. That's basically it. That is how you add a phone number in Roblox if it's missing. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.